Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garmin Pay on your Venu 3. First, make sure your Venu 3 smartwatch is successfully paired with the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Open the Garmin Connect app and locate the Garmin Pay section within the device settings. You'll be prompted to create a secure 4-digit passcode, which you'll use to authorize transactions. This initial setup is crucial for enabling contactless payments directly from your wrist, offering convenience and security for your purchases. Now let's add your payment card. From the Garmin Pay section, select Add Card and specify whether it's a credit or debit card. Carefully input all your card details, including the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit security code found on the back. After reviewing, accept your bank's terms and conditions. Your bank might then ask for a quick verification, perhaps by sending a code to your phone or email to ensure your security. Making a payment with your Venu 3 is incredibly simple. First, access the controls menu on your watch by holding down the top right button for about 2 seconds. From there, select the Garmin Pay icon. You'll then be prompted to enter your secure 4-digit passcode. Once unlocked, hold your watch near the contactless payment reader at the checkout. You have approximately 60 seconds to complete the transaction before needing to re-enter your passcode. A green checkmark will confirm your successful payment. Here are a few tips for a smooth Garmin Pay experience. Always ensure your Venu 3's software is updated to the latest version for best performance. If a payment doesn't go through, try adjusting your watch's position on the reader, as sometimes alignment is key. Remember, once you enter your passcode, it remains active for 24 hours or until you take off your watch. For any persistent issues, don't hesitate to contact your bank or Garmin support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.